Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to make money with print on demand. Whether you're an artist looking to turn your designs into a profitable business, or someone who's just looking to earn some extra cash from home, print on demand is a fantastic way to make money without having to worry about inventory or production costs. Redbubble is a popular print on demand service that allows you to create and sell a wide range of products, including t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to make money on Redbubble. The first step is to sign up for a Redbubble account. Once you've signed up, it's time to start creating designs. You can either create your own designs or browse through the millions of designs available on the Redbubble platform. Once you have your designs, it's time to start adding them to products. Redbubble offers a variety of products to choose from, so you can pick the ones that best showcase your designs. When you're ready to publish your products, be sure to add relevant tags and descriptions to help potential buyers find your products. You can also join groups and participate in forums to promote your work and get feedback from other artists. Redbubble also offers several marketing tools to help you promote your work, including a customizable artist bio, a newsletter service, and social media integrations. Be sure to take advantage of these tools to reach a wider audience and increase your sales. Finally, it's time to start earning money. Redbubble pays you a commission on each sale, which is typically a percentage of the total sale price. The commission rate varies depending on the product and your sales volume, but it can range from 10% to 30%. And that's it. With a little bit of creativity and hard work, you can make money on Redbubble. So what are you waiting for? Start creating and selling today.